Fellows, welcome to CSF Tech and Engineering. Fellows, on this episode, I have a kettle here. Okay, now you all know what's a kettle mean. I mean kettle, right? So, okay, we have this kettle for a long time, and sadly, unfortunately, now it started to add up, right? Now you put it on like that. You see, this is normal, right? It light on blue, okay? But sometimes it goes on and it doesn't like, okay, see, this one is so doing okay now, right? But sometimes you put it on, it doesn't light up. And then you turn off. You have to try many times before it starts working. So I'm not sure what is going on. So for now it's working. But this morning I tried to turn it on and it was acting up. So when I already checked the power from the base. Okay. Now let me take the tester here, and then let me show you. Checking the power from the base, it's okay. See, there's a light inside, right? You touch, you can tell, right? So we are receiving 120 volts, all right, from the base, right? The important thing is the base. That is where you're getting the currents from the current. I mean, right, from you're getting the current from the base. Now, when it comes here, this is where the coil is. That will heat up, and then it will give you the warm or hot water. So the problem is here. The problem is not from the base, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take it apart and see what is going on here, right? So I don't know if there's some bad connections. Looking at the screw at the bottom, okay, these 3 screws, I don't have the thing to take it out, but I'm going to use my the tester. The tester is small enough to fit there, so I'm going to use the tester. So, fellows, if you are home, you better be handy. And I think I have it on the YouTube for troubleshoot and fixing this stove when the burners are not lighting up. So let's stay tuned and let's take these things apart. Now, fellows, for you to understand something here, let me explain this to you. Okay, you can see here there is a pin there. Okay, this pin is the positive connection. Okay, this is where the current the base touches this pin here to send a current through it. And this circle here, the round circle here, is also you can call it the neutral. Okay, the neutral, because the current have to go through the pin and come out from this neutral bars. Okay, so these two are the one that's what control or keep the current flowing, right? So as you can see now, I took the screws out and I'm going to take it apart. Okay, so I just have to pop it out here, I guess. Hopefully it works. Okay, it's coming out, but Okay, that's out now. Okay, 3 screws is out. Okay, now fellows, as you can see, this is how it looks like. So I have to check and see. So this is the filament. Okay, that heats up the water, right? The heat goes through, right? There's a power connected and then also connected there, so that heats it up. Okay, so I gotta take it apart and see what is going on, right? Okay, just stay tuned. Yeah, fellows, so this thing's here. Okay, so the main power source, as I explained, is this pin. Okay, this pin attached to this, the positive side here, or the current side here. So when this one touches, current flow through here to this wire here. You can tell this is a red wire. Okay, the color doesn't matter, but it depends on the company, how they make their stuff, right? Current entered through this. Anyway, you can see the red wire here. Okay, the same thing, and then it goes to the switch here. Okay, so the switch, so as immediately the current goes through here to the from there, it goes through the switch here. So then if you press the switch on, that is when the current now come back. Okay, you press the switch, it allowed the current to flow through this one there, right? And then the same power, you see the red, the tiny red here. Good. The tiny red enter here, and it's for the blue lights, right? A light up blue. So this wire here is connected to the positive side, also goes into there. Okay, now when it goes in there, right, the current flow through this one. Okay, so that it make a complete a circuit. Okay, and then exit through this this wire here, and you can tell the light, the blue light, this is also the exit point. Okay, then the current exit through which one? It goes through this one here. Okay, the blue connected to the neutral wire, the neutral point, and then the current will exit through the neutral point, and it goes back to the source again. Okay, now what problem did I find? Okay, this one you can tell is solid here. All right, this is solid, but this one, the positive side, now it's moving whatever it is, right? It's going back and forth. So sometimes it connects, sometimes it does not. It does not connect. So that is the problem. Why? See, it's going back and forth. I don't know if you can see. Right? It's moving. Oh, what is it? See, it's shaking. And if you check this one is solid, right? This one is solid. So that's a problem. So now I have to find a way to tighten it. I did open this up, and then behind, you don't see anything much there. So maybe I can just take this one out, and then maybe I can get access to that over there. So, okay. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to see if I can get access to that by taking these things out there. All right. So fellows, as you can see, I disconnected this one from it. Okay, good. All right, so as you can see, that's how it is now. All right, so if I can fix it and then get little bit more life out of it, well, that is great. So so far I don't see any fuse over here, but anyway, I suspect there might be a fuse over here, or inside somewhere there might be a fuse there, right there. So far I did not see anything yet. Okay, so this is out now. Let's see if I can try to work on it. Okay, yeah, so I'll see if I can try to fix this thing here, because I think the connections over underneath there is very poor. The connections behind there is poor. So let's see what I can do to fix it up. Okay, let's see. It's going moving up and down there. Okay, so fellows, hang on. So fellows, after examining this, I don't know what I will call it. This is not a switch. It's just a contact. Okay. This unit here. Now, I try to separate this the unit, the metal plate and the plastic, but it's very sealed. So things like this, I guess you just have to buy a new one and change it. But it has a part number on it. Okay, it's U 1762 is the part number over there. Okay, I search it, but I cannot find it. Okay, so it comes to my mind, or to just lift up. See, before, this is kind of flat, it's level, right? It's level. So I just lifted the base there, or what is it, right? The connector at the bottom there. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, you see this metal plate there, this metal plate here. Okay, this metal plate, there's another one at the bottom. So I just lift it up to make it more higher, so that I get constant contact, right? And then I have tested it, and then it seems like it's working. Okay, so let's see. Let me pause it and let me take you there to see it. So fellows, this is the base of the the kettle. Okay, so I put it on it like that, and then I can plug it in. Okay, now using this one. Okay, the connection is at the other side there, so you gotta do it safely. I gotta turn it around like that. Okay, turn it around. Good. Then plug it in again. So I gotta put it out on, and then you see the light. Though, see this unit here, when you see this unit, you touch here, it light up green, right? That means there's a resistance. But when they connected to the electrical, it will be green and red. Then that means there's power inside, right? Okay, let's start it. Now you see the green and the red. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me do like this so you can see. Oh, okay. What is it? Okay, green and the red. Then that means there's a resistance there. I have to just push it in again. Okay, now you can see. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, because of the the camera button. Maybe you guys can see, I'm not sure, but let me do like this. Okay, now you can see. Okay, yeah, so now I get constant touch. The connection is connected to it, so it looks okay. So hopefully it will not give me any problem. Okay, yeah, the moment when you push it like this too, it kind of okay, yeah, it's working perfect. Okay, so now I know it's working. Okay, so let's put it together. Let's me try to see if I can let you see how to put it together. All right. Yeah. So fellows, let's put it together. Okay. Let's put it in. Okay. So we are putting it together. Okay. And this is how it's supposed to be. Okay. So the tiny screws goes there, and then this is the screwdriver here. Tiny screws into the okay. So you can see there. So it's 3 screws in total. This one also enter here. Then I'm not sure if there's a there's a point that the filament also blow up. I don't think if you can change the filament the way it is. I guess it's kind of sealed. It's sealed. So if the filament goes out, then you have to change the whole kettle because it's not made to repair the filament. Okay. So now put this one. That's the screw. Oh, okay. It's a tiny screw. Okay. As you can see, let's put it in. Good. And there's only 2 connections, right? So it sits at the bottom like that. Okay. And then there's the power source. This power enters here. Let's see. Okay, it's connected. Good. That one is connected. Okay. So the power comes in and comes out there, as I said before. And this is the blue one. This is the exit, current exit from this here. We connect to it. Okay. Now the white one is covered. This one here is covered on it. The blue one is nothing covered to it because it's going back to the source anyway. So yeah, it's tight. That's it. It's done. Okay. Now, I guess you can see how it is. Yeah, everything is intact. Okay. Now, let's put the base. The base also have 3 screws. So I have to line it up as much as possible. Shift a little bit today, I think, yeah, this side. I'm gonna shift a little bit to this side. Before it will line up. Yeah. So fellows, I'll line it up. So let's stay tuned. Yeah, so fellows, now it's on. It's on now. Let's see. It's gonna heat up, and when it heat up, it's supposed to turn off by itself. So let's see. Yeah, it started to heat up now. Yeah, the sound change. See? So yeah, it's gonna bubble up, as you can see, and then the switch is supposed to go off. That's it. It goes off. So thanks for watching, and welcome to CSF Tech and Engineering. Subscribe, share, like, comment for more episodes like this. We're here to learn together on CSF Tech and Engineering. Bye for now.